a ClickBank live promotion. I am going to promote a ClickBank product live, and how I am going to do it is all going to be revealed to you in this video. So stick in this video until the end. At the end of the video, I will be revealing a secret way in which you can promote a ClickBank product and get sales very soon. Almost in 24 hours you can make your first sale. Okay, but what I am going to say is that don't abuse this method, because this is very crucial and very different method, and if you abuse this or overdo this, then you are definitely going to have problems. Okay, so don't overdo it, but you can use it consistently. Okay, so do it in moderation every single day, and if you stick to this method with consistently, you may receive your ClickBank sale very soon. Okay, so let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very precious. So first of all, what you have to do is go to this website known as ClickBank and go to marketplace. If you don't have an account on ClickBank, just create one. It's very easy, very simple. Okay, now once we are on ClickBank and we have to go to our marketplace. Okay, you just select this spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs. Okay, once you are here, now what you have to do is you have to just see it. Where is this? This is the product manifestation code system. Okay, it has a gravity of almost 13. Okay, it has a gravity of 95, means this product is selling really well. Okay, I have currently started promoting this product, so just stick to this product. Okay, this is very good product which you can promote, and it is really converting very well. You get a $13 commission. It is a low ticket product, so it converts very well, and you can earn very good commissions from this. Okay, now what you have to do is just use this product, click on the promote link and get your affiliate link. Okay, that's really simple, that's really easy. That's what you can do very easily. Now what you have to do is I am going to give you a script. Okay, which script you will be utilizing to do this method. Okay, now you have just done it. Okay, you have just clicked. Okay, got your affiliate link. Now what you have to do is just this is my script. Okay, you can utilize this. All you have to do is pause this video and just copy my script. Okay, here it's a small script. Okay, so what I have written: hey, I have saw you were interested in manifestation techniques and wondering if you have had any success with it. I have been following the guy's system. Okay, this guy's system. This is your affiliate or we can say the link. Okay, affiliate link. This is my affiliate link, which I have already shortened it using tiny URL. Okay, you can shorten your affiliate link, the link which you obtain from here. Okay, the link which you have obtained by clicking this promo, you can shorten your affiliate link. Okay, so that's really easy, that's really simple, and what you have to do is paste it here. Okay, so this is the script which you have to utilize. Hey, I saw you were interested in manifestation techniques and wondering if you had any success with it yet. I have been following this guy's system. Okay, then you have to paste your affiliate link, and then and it seems to work pretty well, and he has something that reveals some pretty interesting things. This is the script which you can copy and utilize. Okay, why I am giving you the script? Because we are the ones who make the most money out of affiliate marketing. So this is a copywriting script which you are going to utilize. Now what you have to do is just go to this website which is known as Pinterest, but we are not going to do anything we are going to do something different. We are not going to post on interest, because everyone is doing it. Everyone is doing it every day. What you have to do is type in here law of attraction, and what you have to see, you can see here are some of the posts which are really very recent. Okay, and you can see there is comment section over here, and you can see here there are people who are commenting on this. These people are definitely interested in law of attraction. Now what you have to do is just click on their comments, and if you don't find message, what you have to do is just go to the next person. It's okay, some people may have enabled the message option, some may have not. Okay, all you have to do is just click on the comments and just check out if this person has this message over here. What you have to do is they are already commenting on the law of attraction niche. Okay, law of attractions post, so they are definitely interested in this type of. What you have to do is just press this button, Control V, and this just give this script to them. Okay, and your script is here. Okay, here is your link and here is your script, and what you have to do is just click on send message, and this message is sent to that person, and if that person visits that link, okay, and visits that link, then you receive a commission. That's really simple. Visit that link and buys the product, you receive a commission. This product is not priced at very high price, so there is a great chance for you to get the commission out of this product. So this is really simple, really easy method which many of the marketers utilize. Now what I am going to say is that don't abuse this method. Don't send messages to only send 20 to 25 messages per day. Don't send much messages, or else your Pinterest account may get banned. So this is really simple method which many of the people utilize, but don't overdo it. If you overdo it, then your Pinterest account may get banned. All you have to do is stay consistent for a week and message 20 people per day, okay, and you will definitely get sales on your ClickBank account. This is really simple method which I have revealed. Okay, so just if you like my content, if you like this video, then just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.